Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Quatra from IME Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and the topic that I am going to start today is title search report. A title search report is basically tells about the history of the property, and whenever we go to the bank or any financial institute for loan against a property, then they see that whether we are eligible or whether we have any right to take loan against our property, and they ask for our identification witness if there are any, and the main document is title search report. Title search report is useful document for bank because they make on the basis of title search report they make sure that whether to give loan to the party or not, and sometimes people also make this title search report so that they can prevent that property from any fraud, and this is also useful for the buyer, and he assures himself or herself that the party to which he is contracting is a genuine party. This report is mainly made by an advocate, and he after going to a registrar office gives a title certificate which shows that that property is clear and marketable, and this certificate is given by an advocate only, as I told you. And this search on the title of a property is taken for a period of last 30 years and mainly for 13 years, as some banks are demanding for 13 years now. So now I will tell you the documents that are needed. First is the PAN card of the owner and current owner, and then the photocopy of the current owner, then the ID proof, and then the complete chain, and then copy of first allotment of chain. So this title search report tells about the history, like who was the first owner and how this property evolved and reaches to the current owner, right? So a clear and marketable title search report shows that the property is genuine and the owner is also genuine, and further the property should not be under any dispute or any litigation, and a search report traces this history of a property. In many cases the lending bank has their own advocate which exercise all this report, and usually the cost is minimal and is added up to the processing and administration charges of the bank for sanctioning and distributing of the loan. So the report act as a security for the bank and as well as for the buyer, as bank make sure that they are giving loan to a genuine party, and they are the true owner, and the buyer also makes sure that to the party through which they are contracting is genuine. So now I will tell you how it is made. So firstly, the documents that you will provide to your advocate, he will see that whether you are a true owner or not, and secondly he will check that whether the chain is completed or not. After that he will went to the registrar office or any court, and he will check according to the last document of title chain that whether the property has been transferred to any other person or whether the property is any under dispute or is under any loan. And in whichever office and advocate do the search, he will get the receipt of the search, and this receipt will also be the part of the file. And after this advocate prepares search report and concludes that whether an individual is able to take the loan from the bank or not, and in case that individual is buying that property, then the advocate will conclude that whether the property is good or genuine or not. So this report has a general format, that what were the documents that were given to the advocate, what were the conclusion obtained, and what was the examination done by the advocate, and whether the certificate copy and the original copy were matched or not. And along this report, advocate also give the affidavit in which consent of the party is given, and that